What is going on? James from Act Audio, and today we are going to talk about lithium batteries.
Okay, let's go.
So there's been a big craze in the car audio world about lithium batteries. A lot of people do them for car audio. A lot of people do them because they're lighter. A lot of people do them because they want to do them. So I'm going to talk about a specific lithium battery. It's the Nano HD V3. It is what we prefer and like to carry in our store. I'm not saying it's the best, but there's a lot of batteries out there. So first thing first, we're going to unbox it and we're going to kind of show you what is inside the box here. This is the Nano HD V3/MTM because it comes with the maintenance charger. You can't use a standard charger. A good quality one comes with internal management of the voltage and everything internally, but the charger really helps with that. So the charger inside isn't anything special. It's your standard charger. It does have the Harley plug, and it also has clamps if you need to use that. And it has your pack that kind of tells you what's going on, tells you where the battery charge level is, it tells you if there's a fault, and if the battery has a problem, it has a repair function that charges at 2 amp. The battery itself, so it came in a brown box. Inside the brown box, inside the second brown box was this box. I had already unboxed it for this purpose of this video. Take the lid off, you have a nice enclosed battery. It comes with 2 of these foam pads. Here's the second one that you can put inside to help reduce vibrations on the battery and make it so it fits tight as needed. Any side to kind of clamp that area so the battery sits in there nice and snug. It does come with your owner's manual, but there's not much in it, and the battery itself. So benefits of a lithium ion. Oh, my bad. I actually never realized this. It comes with a few of these, several of these. And the bolts, and the battery itself. Now, if you know any standard battery, I'm not going to hold it in a bag like this. They're heavy. Lithium ion batteries are approximately 70% lighter than your standard battery. So if you're looking at weight reduction on a bike or building it for performance, this would obviously help with weight reduction. Other benefits of the lithium ion batteries is they do last 2 to 4 times longer. So they're very expensive, but if you really do the math, and let's say 2 to 4, let's say 3 times longer, it's slightly cheaper than 3 conventional batteries for the Harley. Actually, I guess that's not completely true. It's slightly less than 3 deep cycle batteries if you were to replace it for audio or something like that. Lithium ion batteries do charge 4 to 5 times faster, and they're really designed to be discharged and recharged. So the other big benefit is this one says BMS, built-in battery management system. So it's designed to help regulate itself from overcharging, things like that. And your charger does it too. Overcharging can kill a battery. People don't realize that. Most tenders will take care of it, but if it faults or it's cheap, you can have a problem. I've done it myself in the shop. It smells like rotten eggs. First time I ever did it, we had to have the fire department come out because we didn't know what it was. Lithium ion batteries will maintain more stable voltage throughout the discharge cycle and in extreme weathers. So what people don't realize, especially when you're doing audio, you need wattage out of an amp. So let's just totally making up numbers. You need 500 watts out of an amp, right? And to get 500 watts, I could do the math here, but you need 45 amps of power at 14 volts. So 14 volts, 45 amps equals the wattage, right? But as the voltage drops, anyone that knows math, this has to go up and vice versa. So if you have a good battery that's going to maintain that voltage, that amperage is going to stay low, and that's going to reduce wear and tear on your stator or alternator if it's a car, for long-term longevity of that, and stop robbing from other electrical components of the vehicle. So it goes with your wire too. If you're installing an audio system, higher quality wire helps maintain the voltage because there's less resistance. Same thing, right? So the better that voltage is at the amp and you don't have any voltage drops, the less amperage that everything uses. The other thing is amperage, in a nutshell, equals heat. So when you have high amperage, it increases heat of everything. The components, the wire, and again, it adds wear and tear to your stator and electrical system of the vehicle or motorcycle. So lithium ion batteries may be pricey, but they have tons and tons and tons of benefits to provide for you and why you should do it. So any questions on lithium ion batteries, please ask below. And as always, click like, subscribe, share videos with your friends, help out a small business by promoting our online presence. Thank you.